Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use HDFC gift card on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So open up Amazon and log into your Amazon account. So once you've logged into your account, so what you're going to do, you're going to just make an order, make a purchase. So just simply select an item, go to the checkout page so that you can get to the payment page here. That's what we're going to look into it. So once you have add something, any item to your cart, so what you're going to do, you're going to just proceed to buy as you normally do on Amazon. So just go to the select your address and then go to the payment section here. So once you get to the payment section here, now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then click under more ways to pay. You're going to select credit or debit card option. So simply select the credit or debit card option, and then what you're going to do here is simply add in the details of your HDFC card here. So it's actually, this is similar to your other debit cards. So simply plug in the details of the card, and then once that's done, once you have entered the card details and everything, and then simply proceed with the checkout and complete the payment just like other debit cards. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.